Sefa Kayi a member of ECG board.
Yes, woman named the Ekoso Sefa Kayi ayi Poladumotre Kwaku Bako. They know woman named Adia Ekoso ewo kroyim. But the nipa be DNT Bawudia obene. Enti they kept quiet in this country. What about this strategy of Mafa? Sika kakra na wo ho na omo so omo de koma Nigeria etua gas ne ka no omo so omo nkotua Mahama ba omo tua ne hehwe.
So what started enti yefa His Excellency the President elect ye ba ye beto akobo so
unity and opportunity for our great nation. However, I must address a matter of urgent importance tonight. Transitions from one administration to another create the impression of a vacuum of power, and certain people are easily compelled to act in their own parochial interest instead of the national interest. I've received reports of attacks on state offices and installations. While it's unclear who is behind these attacks, I condemn them in no uncertain terms. These acts must cease immediately. As I said during my post-declaration speech, I urge the youth not to vent their frustration in criminal enterprise. Instead, they must channel their anger and frustration into the positive enterprise of resetting and rebuilding our beloved nation. I urge all our citizens to remain calm and avoid actions that could harm our institutions and our democracy. We have fought hard for change, and now is the time to demonstrate our commitment to rebuilding the Ghana we want through unity and understanding. Because state power is still in the hands of the present administration, I call on the President and the security agencies to act decisively to curb the ongoing acts of lawlessness immediately. I thank you, my fellow citizens, and may God bless our homeland, Ghana.
All right, so I know His Excellency the President-elect John Dramani Mahama and all condemning every single act Ekoso ewo Ghana hanom say emrate ne maburu a omode mrana hye wonsem wo say tumi no still da kuta da da ku Akufo Addo as the president as the president of the Republic of Ghana.
Sir Sir independence ba ohun bibia timisi.
Yeah.
Independence ba bibia timisi. And ye independence kane no, this is the second time Ghana independent. Yeah, JB Akufo Addo or ye wicked, treacherous, anarchical, inconsiderate leader. Look, that old man, as if so be born a pafia samado. As I born a power samado say, ube di Ghana president kumo maino. JB, the NPA, I don't support it.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, but independence, baby, yet to be see. What is Akufo Addo to them who says here?
Ozo say,
Obe me say, Nana do one. I didn't Krom ye nkwa no kwa na ni beje. Me can be here.
Oh, that's I mean, it's
and
bad.
I am Proph say ye di agro.
It's bad.
OJ?
It's bad.
That man is a wicked old man. When was say all of a sudden no be inama?
Yeah.
Adintra. He was waiting, say, Anka Bawumia. But when he a toy president. Now I'll be dressing PSO 7th January. Abe Kabro for Nyansa Bakukuranim. na ma boche ye Akufo Addo kabrofo chema Akufo Addo brofo ba ko waka nyansa wom ka ba ko kire ne kawan kawan
fellow Ghanaians
yes be no wo ka fellow Ghanaians then fellow Ghanaians eli mama another one
sit down
means that as you are too an autocratic leader. You see, JB.
I say I shall protect the public.
He should forget about that rubbish and that nonsense he said. That he himself has stolen the public purse. JB,
yes,
okay? At its core, governance is about leadership. Now, this week in we are Mr. Samensa. Me read the assessment here. Me kasa besesa. Me read the adwuma na assessment here. Hwe. Jebi, me de abufuo yaw apinisie na ye fa me wo so. Eto da me wie na me fa show no back. Na me hwa utimi hwu say God ntetenchen na ohwemanim. I thought that director to me baha no aye ne say Peter that way otumi yesi. Enye say minim say the American no nya de ominim. But JB, what say Omaya, the president of the land, decided say on to aeroplane bi. Sika Akufo Addo de fa plane. Edun so aye ne ya pampam. Sanko de sa sika ne to Emirates kakrakani bi kura kamfa so also. You spent over $200 million renting an aircraft. What a high plane. Now Sanje in a high plane saying Anka Akufo Addo betimi ato plane no na kanana do betimi ato. No to ya keso Ghana from ato aeroplane. See e be de do see enye de do. At the end of the day, e baba be Ghana japa there. But unim then I do behave like an ostrich. I would do the tear sham in him, telling the whole world that I am secured. Not on them dream, not or just so good so. I don't know maybe so be say aeroplane. Yeni ya just so Sergeant so if you win.
If you so pompomuda. If you so pompomuda.
You win.
You mean upon
a pudding. Says you be a book, you be a good punua. And I'm not having a
hearing professional.
You see, now Ghana, and before whom we wicked people. And before you wicked, and they had the effrontery to go sit on radio to defend this autocratic leader. JB, the worst of it all, they say, Bisaka Ghana DSC. Who the Busa was like Ghana at the Kassing. Say, I'm no Kassing, you can trim 1 trillion.
Yeah.
$1 trillion.
One of na control Okoye. Oko rented private jet, or they call France to Belgium. It costed Ghana 2.8 million Ghana cedis.
Dollars,
$2.8 million, yes. $2.8 million.
JB, now this old man, he behaved to say Arabian monarch. Otia kunyaso. Oh, I'm also Facebook for 1.8 per. And also just say, one sham no be nyasem. And also just say, Moya no one here, share me uncle.
Why is that good for?
If you share,
share that.
1.8 is say.
I do too.
And you 2K them the other. 2K there some the more our air. Oga me Sefa can pull out watch it. Now the 500 views at the issue. Me nya ko Sefa kan me nya pull out watch it. Me nim nyansa. Me papa nrepi oba bia da any made out.
Asuma ye fine.
Efa Mr. Krom, yenye independence fufuro, yenye nipa betina Krom ha. Me ka bibia efia. Many bra bre no, me say efia.
Facebook asem.
Ekosi Friday wo. Na me wie. Because I have delivered. Na me wie me dwuma. Say you people we. Where Akufo actually behaved like a typical UP monarchical colloquial person. Typical. Say, reduce the country to nothing. Na me or no. Your friend say, no.
Owusu.
I thought I said the graph on fa. Na me sama mekani na mdina te Friday. Nsema makawe na me nka hwe o. Thought I said the graph Akufo don fa. Because when we say we didn't say hunu. Nti call na e ba no nim baby a e call na de be sie. Je?
Yeah.
One chichin crofo say near man de omunjai. But Jebi, Eastern region, East no den or ye. Tell boys no fui. Eastern region, coalition center or East no den or ye. What to me after Yamani match pen. Altar figure. Ya tu aba ya tu awie ni bre se aba Bawumia na mu na wo pese wo koma no no
Ono kra
will consider defeat. It's a fair wo kwatwe pen ni paper. Wo twe pen. Wo year 8. Wo year 0 age wo ni anasa wo say. I don't support what the youth are doing. But jebi ye independence a ho. Bibia to be see. So only make catch you.
But they should be measured.
No, I'm not saying they should do it. That's what I'm saying. I'm condemning it.
Yeah, sure.
And Ghana and Libya must be careful. Adebia obey from today going. OJ, John Mahama, you are going to tell me. He says, "Oh, you're president elect. Tell me who kasape me mejao. Must start my fire." JB, Abaywe has spent almost $344 million. Woman SCS somebody Accra. One second lady saw your bar.
Yeah.
And we watched on and treated an innocent old woman like that. Nobody said anything. Do you think that this woman, her last breath, what was it? It was a curse. Whom your G a chatwa or the co wono a numi Jebi yet Krom na DC MPO say regional minister say northern region or Mirafic Ronidi. I don't want to mention any other name. J na ambulance ya paki ambulance SC government official fee na ema enyem enya ambulance ko hospital tam ti akwantimfi na wo sa DC you say regional minister deputy regional minister na yere awoka no na ambulance na fe wo boss we mo so enje so ko se si wa che na ono ne bu afu na ya tam na yere na to helicopter be wu won kran nyame na me da na sesa ma me no wu ye ba na ye me yanso na ye me yanso hwe obafia wodi e no to nchen a hwe se enipa dimirika enipa dimirika eyare na wobetimi akọ eye Confederate Teaching Hospital na afia ya catch na wo se elevator nyadwuma na nipa oyare a oda stretcher so yedna for elevator number na doctor no ugina no ho elevator no no on patient no aka elevator no na medical doctor ni suit sa akola say I could have saved the life of this man. You think it's a joke? Look, Mafia, you want Crofwa or starting business, not dollar. 4 cities to $1. We can say
$1 is to 4 cities.
$1 is to 4 cities.
Yeah.
People went for loans. Madame Fubi pa. Ne mame. Koji loan. I was Stambik. Or the year business. Otu kwai. Kofa nema. 3 weeks no di ye no. Oba na dollar no. Edimrika sa kosa. Ne drew 14 cities.
Wow.
Or den niema ne bedru ye no.
Aboka.
Say ya me no ka say. Ni kunu wu ye efi odi ja no. Ewa denta bank na Agyapong. And what are we talking about in this country? Jamie. What are we talking about in this country? And we are watching Akufo and his cronies and family members. Me can ofrata de me court back mienu miensa. Almost everybody in the court. But let me sit here and tell you, you will lose all the cases. I know why. Young kohon there, because case no court. Jamie, Kwesi Peduase Lodge.
Yeah.
Peter, Peduase Lodge tama J Akufo eye renovation. Ye na ye di Akufo achi. Na Akufo CC Peduase Lodge. You know why Akufo was renovating Peduase Lodge? Because of Professor Evans Fifiata Mills. The question is, Akufo yede no who say ye may lose election. It's J Akufo share Professor Mills and Jubilee House. Okatakyie say Peduase so be say Bawumia. Wo Jubilee House. Jubilee House septic tank yema Krom muntimi ntwe. Go to Jubilee House and check what they've done to the place. JB, Basintale Health Ministry. Ye do baby a won Ghana for. Mimi ye kasa na nye kasa tenten ye pe o. Ye kasa no na nye se eye de eye fe se ye sori anopa. Obi papa ne me o. If you care to know. Obi papa ne me wo ma. Me wo ma me tiase, me wo papa tiase. And you think say I am a fool to risk my life. Now Proph say captain ti dia wo ye nti wunsuro. Captain ti wunsuro. Na me nsuro because I wanted to save a country. Snatch this nation from the hands of these wicked beings. Jay, say ya me no kasa uko energy ministry ahụ.
Yeah.
Ghana, Professor John Evans Fifiata Mills, and John Mahama and I introduce you energy levy, energy sector recovery levy, ESLA.
Yeah, so.
Energy levy, energy sector recovery levy, ESLA.
Yeah, so.
One kasa bekachre ye say ye nika. Say energy sector ye nika almost $4 billion.
Yeah, sure.
Meanwhile, can Oforiatta raise bond 1 billion so the kote so. Another 1.5 billion so the kote so. $800 million so the kote so. Say the can Oforiatta face kananko. Eti say ye that the car. With him, Mahama taking over pe dum so baye kese. With him the Nigeria are winning say. Ye did the car. Now we are buying for fra and the amount of pressure. Say the baye obetua. Say Mahama ye swear in 7 January. Ni a doom light. If you baye February March ho kwa. Me say sa kwa no te Metro TV no. So baby na no say Sefa Kayi bet me atena Peace FM akeka kwase say me do nyame ko be bode sama me nkruma sa so cost in general kwaku ba ko de
Sefa Kayi board member wo the
Sefa kind kwaku ba ko dey he's dead and gone. Just so ye bema no. Ayo mbie na no okrom ha. Mi do nyame ko bia betu. These guys kwaku ba ko Sefa kind any Poladumochre. They know what is happening. They know.
I said, Sefa Kayi a member of ECG board.
Yes, woman named the air cost Sefa Kayi a Poladumochre. Kwaku Bako. They know woman named Adia air cost ewo kroyim. But Jenny Pabe DNT, Bawudi Albany. And they kept quiet in this country. When my dear says strategy of Mafa. Sika kakra na wo ho na mo so mo de koma Nigeria etua gas ne ka no mo so mo nkutua Mahama ba wo metua ne hwehwe. So what they are doing is say wo mo twan na 7 January yes so Mahama in we are because Nigeria ma Ghana ultimatum up to February. It's from January 7th ebe si February ma kwaji sika mo ntua mo twan say Mahama metena konua ne so na Nigeria for and gas and inside na ye desum na wuwia what na wufie akase Mahama madu so ma come and share me huda ko be bo sama man mukruma he ko airport a Sefa Kayi mama mi wie Poladumochre sa kwa no onye airport company boche
yeah
okay Minya Kevin Taylor ka say waji obi yere yankan no ho asem enwie but I know what you need to kind of once a baby. Okay? Airport in Sassy na Omaton.